Hello everyone, welcome to Exhort Solutions. In previous video we see line command. If you have any query related to that, you can ask me in comment section and I will give suitable answer to that. In this video we are going to see some next command from profile creation toolbar. So let's get started. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see point toolbar separately and in more depth. So to start the new project, click start, mechanical design, sketcher. Here if you want to give any name to your part, you can give, press OK. This is our workbench environment and here at left side you have to select any one of these plane to go to sketcher environment. We draw our all sketches in sketcher environment. I am selecting XY plane. So this is our sketcher environment and this is the profile creation toolbar. In profile creation toolbar, the last command is point toolbar. So let's get started. In point command there will be many sub commands. We will see them one by one. The first one is simple point. The simple point we used to draw to get the particular direction or distance to draw any object. For example, I will show you. If I want to draw 3-point arc starting with limits, then I need points. For example, I am having points like this and I want to draw 3-point arc starting with limits, then I will give start limit, end limit and the point through which arc goes and our arc will be drawn. So this is the simple point command. The next thing in point command is point by using coordinates. If you know the coordinates or if you want to give some values on which our point will be drawn, then you can give here. If I give horizontal value 40 55 and vertical 90 and press enter, then our point will be drawn exactly as per our dimension, as you can see. So this is the point by coordinates. The next thing in point toolbar is equidistant point. Equidistant point creates equidistant points along a predefined path curve. For example, I will show you. If I am having the ellipse like this and I want this ellipse divided into 12 equal parts, then I am just selecting equidistant point, click on equidistant points and click ellipse. As you can see, this box will be appear here. Just give the points, how many points in which the ellipse you want to divide and press OK. After that, as you can see, the ellipse will be divided into 12 equal parts. Not only ellipse, if you want a simple line divided into 5 equal parts, then it will just give here value 5 and press OK. As you can see, it will be divided into 5 equal parts. So this is the equidistant point. The next thing is intersection point. The intersection point creates a point at the intersection of the two different elements. As you can see, if I am having these two lines which will intersect somewhere in if we join them, and I want intersect point of these two lines, then just select intersecting point and select point line 1 and line 2. As you can see, you can get the intersection point. This is the intersection point. So this is all about intersection point. The next thing in point toolbar is point projection point. So if I am having projection point, I will show you. The projection point is nothing but the projection point of one element onto another. If I want projection of one element onto another, then I use projection point. If I am having this circle and I am divided it into 10 parts. Now if I draw another circle in this circle and I want all these 10 parts projection to this inner circle, then I just select projection point. To create projection point, just select all projection point by dragging mouse and select inner circle. As you can see, our projection will be drawn. So this is the point toolbar. If you have any query related to that in all profile creation toolbar, you can ask me in comment section. I will give answer to that. Thank you.